Hey guys, today I thought we should take a look at the projector that me and LG bought for our do-it-yourself home theater, because we bought it from China and I think you guys should have a look. So yeah, let's open it together and wait, LJ?
What?
Did you see our projector?
I'm watching the movie. Why?
Can you just stop and bring me the projector?
Oh, you're already filming.
Yeah, we're already filming. Thank you. Hi guys. Hi. We're taking a look at this. Let's go. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual specifications and what we got in the package of the projector. So this is the package that we got, and in here we got the projector, the remote, and the power supply. And let's put these things aside first. The remote is pretty standard layout. It's gonna do what it's supposed to do, and you guys won't have a problem. I actually like it very much. The power supply is a bit tricky, and we had a problem with it. And it's because in the first 3 days, well actually the third day, it blew out. It blew out, we were running it for just a couple of movies, and the projector was overheating, and power supply just said, and we had to buy a new one. So that set us back for 20 bucks, which is on top of 80 bucks for this thing, and if you want an Android variant, or I think it's white color, it's even more than 80 bucks. But this one was 80 bucks. I hope this doesn't happen to a lot of people, but it happened to us, and we're known for mistreating gadgets as they're not supposed to. But yeah, we had to buy a new one. Now, the actual specifications of the projector. This projector is projecting 720p quality, and that's projected on a dimension of 35 to 120 inches, and that's 90 to 305 centimeters, I think. That's what a 720 is going to be projected to. And the brightness of the bulb is 2200 lumens, but the actual brightness you're going to get is 100 lumens because of the actual screen and the brightness in the room. So don't expect too much, the brightness is not that good. The ports on this device, pretty straightforward. We have audio input, or audio output, audio input. Then we have two USBs, which are just normal USBs, HDMI, VGA for you who don't use HDMI, and DC in for the power. We have a kickstand, which I don't recommend that you guys use because we actually used it and the projection was a bit off. The screen, the picture was a bit angled, so we had to put it straight, put something else below it, and it worked pretty fine. Actually, better than on the kickstand. We have a couple of vents on the sides, not on the bottom. These guys are just for looks, and the actual vent is just this, and here on the side. But that's it. We have a power button, the only button on this thing, and the only moving thing on this thing is the lens adjustment. And you can play with that all day, but it's not meant for that. So let's go take a look at the actual picture. You guys with me? Yeah, let's go.
Is the speaker really that bad? You didn't even mention it.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the speaker. Yeah, LJ reminded me. This thing has a built-in speaker, which, what? But it does come in handy if you guys don't have external speakers. Also, don't expect too much from this guy. This is worse than your phone speaker. So it's a backup, but don't rely on it. You still have it there. Now let's go take a look at the picture. Okay, so this is the actual picture quality or projection quality, and it's good overall. for watching movies and anything else. But the only thing is the corners are a bit blurred. Doesn't make much of a difference. Like you can see, this part here is a bit blurred. That's because of the lens of the projector, but for this kind of money I am not going to complain. Now let's go take a look at the UI of this projector, and keep in mind this one doesn't have an Android variant, so this is just a basic input, choosing, then we have some different kind of options, just, you know, the basic options every screen would have. You know, the aspect ratio, the brightness, colors, and I think that's all of it. Okay, so we're gonna actually test the speakers right now, so let's see. Okay, this is on max, going down. So the speaker does have some volume to it. The bass, you probably couldn't even hear it, but the highs are there. So as we said, the speaker is gonna get you through if you don't have anything else. But this was just a preview, and we surely wouldn't listen to any good songs on this, or even watch movies. But overall, picture quality, as you guys can see, pretty good. Okay, so we actually thought the speaker was a bit worse than it is. So, Ajay, hey, stop watching the movie.
Yeah, sure.
I know the projector is good. So, for what we got for this money, we're pretty satisfied, are we? Right?
Yeah, the projector meets our expectations.
Yeah, meets our expectations, and we wanted a compact, low-budget power supply. Only thing I wish wouldn't happen to us is the power supply thingy that I mentioned before. Hope you guys don't get the same thing. Decide for yourself. Let's see you guys in the comments. Like, share, subscribe if you guys enjoyed our video or found it useful or helpful.
Like my new haircut.
It's pretty bad. No, come on.